Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little short video, I hope, on using the Shift key to elongate a line or a rectangle. When you grab a line, or really anything, with the pick tool, if you're in the center, you're going to see the 4-point cross, and that means you can move it. But if you want to elongate it, you're going to get the 2-sided cross. I don't know if you can see that in your monitor. And if you move that up to that mark, you've moved that one. But if you will hold down the Shift key while doing it, it moves in both directions. Same thing on a rectangle. I'm going to grab the rectangle, grab the 2-sided cross, or 2-sided arrow basically, and it's moved. Now, if you know your dimension that you want to move it, and this box is 17 inches tall, you can just, because it's basically a centerable item, if you make this now 17, instead of 14, make it 17 and hit enter, it'll go to that 17 in each direction. So that's one way to do it. But if you don't know the measurement and you want to move it, or if you just want to move it down, holding down the Shift key will make it shorter in both directions or longer in both directions. If you don't hold down the Shift key, you're going to get, let me just get rid of that box. If you do not hold the Shift key down, you're only going to short it in one direction. So when you're doing it, you get the 4-sided arrow or the 2-sided arrow, and it can be in any direction. I've got this one going up and down, but you see the 2-sided arrow there. So we're going to move this out. It just moves the rectangle one way. If we hold down the Shift key, it moves the rectangle in both directions. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.